Ladies and gentlemen, myself Saurabh over here. In this event, I'm going to unbox a brand new motherboard from Asrock. And the model name of this motherboard is Asrock Z490 Extreme4. This motherboard supports Intel 10th and 11th generation processor. I would say everything in detail about this motherboard here. Please keep watching this video up to the end with my channel TechFair HD. So without wasting any time, let's get started. You can see the box packaging which I am unboxing. I ordered this on an e-commerce website, that is mdcomputers.in. The branding of the e-commerce site on the box is very clear. The box packaging is very good. I don't have any issue on the box packaging. Let's open the box and check what is inside the box. This motherboard is kind similar in looks and features like other Asrock motherboards in this budget segment. Motherboards like Asrock B550 Extreme4, Z490 Steel Legend, Z490 PG Velocita are kind similar in looks and few in features. Some unique features of this motherboard like it supports 10th generation Intel Core processors and 11th generation Intel Core processors. It supports Intel Turbo Boost Max 3.0 technology, supports Intel K series unlocked CPUs. It supports dual channel DDR4 memory technology and maximum capacity of system memory is 128 GB. Supports Intel Extreme Memory Profile XMP 2.0. Supports HDMI 1.4 with maximum resolution up to 4K into 2K at 30 MHz. Supports DisplayPort 1.4 with maximum resolution up to 4K into 2K at 60 MHz. Supports 4K Ultra HD playback with HDMI 1.4 and DisplayPort 1.4 port.